Are you ready to supercharge your appointment booking and turn every conversation into a confirmed meeting? Let's jump right in and integrate Retell AI with Gohighlevel to automate your appointments. First, go into your Gohighlevel account and find your settings. Then, click into the Integrations tab. This is where we connect third-party applications. Now move into your Retell AI Dashboard and find the Integrations or Connections section. This is often found under the Settings menu or in your account setup. You'll see a variety of options for connecting with other apps. Within Retell AI's integration options, select Gohighlevel as the platform you want to integrate with. You'll likely be prompted to fill out a form to establish the connection. This may include information like your Gohighlevel API key, which you can find within your Gohighlevel account settings. It could also require you to add client ID. Once you've entered your information, the integration should connect. Check for a confirmation message indicating everything is set up correctly. Make sure the connection is showing as active within both dashboards. Now, configure your settings such as your appointment availability and the options you want clients to choose from. Then test it out. Make a test call using Retell AI. When the caller requests an appointment, the AI should access the booking and offer the available times to the customer, and then set up the appointment in Gohighlevel. You've now streamlined your appointment booking process.